Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. I want to show you another Motion Pro tool that came out of my toolbox, and believe me, this one gets used a lot. What I want to show you inside this innocent looking little case is a bearing driver set. Now what makes this one special is that it is geared toward the power sports industry. I mean, when you look at most of your bearing driver sets that are available out there, they usually start off at around, I don't know, 1.5 inches in diameter and then go up. But that doesn't address some of the smaller bearings that are frequently found inside of the power sports engines. Now this set addresses that gap. They actually start off as small as 12 millimeters for an inside diameter and go up to 25 millimeters. Beyond that, on the outside diameter, they have increments from 32 up to 47 millimeters. And you say, well, how did they come up with those numbers? Well, that correlates to a lot of the different bearing sizes that you're going to find inside most of the Japanese motors out there. They did a lot of research before they put this little kit together. The really cool part about this one is it's configurable in so many different variations, whether or not you have a large cup up top and then a smaller one down below. There's so many different variations that you can come up with to either press out or in a multitude of different bearings. Very, very well thought out design here. And because all of these different attachments are made out of aluminum, it makes it safe to use on a tapered bearing such as this. However, they do use a hardened steel handle. This allows it to be used with either a hammer and or a press without deforming it. I've worked with the other ones before where you had aluminum attachments with an aluminum handle, and that aluminum handle is going to give up eventually, I promise you. Now if you're serious about getting your engine built correctly with all those bearings pushed in as they should be, well, let's face it, not knocking this kit, but this isn't going to cut it, and that means, guess what, you're probably going to dig into your toolbox and use a socket for an intention that it was never designed for. So if you spend enough time in an engine, you need to go ahead and invest in this kit. You will not go wrong by doing so. I mean, as you can tell by this one, it gets used, and it gets used often. Guys, this is just one of their products of a large array of tools that they manufacture for the power sports industry. I've been using the Motion Pro for several years, and they really hold up well. Well, if you need these or any other parts or tools for your machine, why don't you come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. If you have any questions or comments, why don't you leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And hey, you like what you see? Why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified and you can see whatever I'm talking about or working on next. We just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.